Hey everyone, in this today's video, I'm going to unbox a massager from the brand BeatXP. I got this massager from Amazon India and I got it for around 1800 rupees. MRP of this product is something around 4000 rupees, but you will get it on offer on Amazon and Flipkart. Before that, if you're new to VGS World and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I request you to do it now and support the channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the unboxing. It's a handheld massager and a wireless massager. It comes with 4000 milliamp hour battery inside. So once you charge the battery, it lasts for 4 to 5 hours of usage. We get 4 different kinds of massager heads for different kinds of massages. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.